Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. So in today's video, I will show you how to kick someone from your Netflix account. Let's get started. And we go and open our Netflix account. After that, you choose your profile like this. And after that, you click on your avatar on the top right of the screen. And then you go to account. Click on account. Here you will see all your details, your payment details and everything. And at the end of the page, as you will see, there is an option called Manage Access and Devices. Just click on it. And as you can see here, you will find all the devices connected to your Netflix account and the profile that they are using. So if you want to kick someone out of your profile, you just need to click on Sign Out. You select his device, for example, MacLeod, and click on Sign Out, and directly this device will be signed out. And if you don't want him to use your account anymore, you just need also to change your password, and like that, this person can't access or can't enter to your Netflix account again. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, you can write it in the comment section, and see you in the next video.